Welcome guys, welcome back to another video of Study Be Like. In this video we will be learning about electromagnetic radiation. So let's begin. So guys, let's learn that what is electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation is a special kind of energy that travels in waves through space. It is like a wave of energy that can move without needing anything else to carry it, even in empty space. So guys, now we will be learning about types of electromagnetic radiation: radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light. Along with visible light there is ultraviolet, X radiation and gamma ray. Now we will study about the radio waves. These are the waves that allow us to listen to the radio. They have long wavelengths and low frequencies. Radio waves are used for broadcasting music, news and other information. Now we would learn about microwaves. Microwaves are shorter wavelengths and higher frequencies than radio waves. They are used in microwave ovens to cook and heat food. They are also used for communication such as cell phone and Wi-Fi. Now we will be learning about infrared radiation. Infrared radiation is sometimes called the heat radiation because we feel it as warmth. It has longer wavelengths than visible light. Infrared radiation is used in devices like TV, remote controls and thermal cameras. Now we would learn about the visible light. This is the type of electromagnetic radiation that allows us to see the world around us. Visible light comes in different colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Each color has a different wavelength. Now we will be learning about ultraviolet radiation. UV radiation has shorter wavelengths and high frequencies than visible light. It comes from the sun and it is responsible for causing sunburns. We can't see UV radiation because it can be harmful for our skin and eyes. Now we will be learning about X radiation. X-rays have shorter wavelengths and higher frequencies than UV radiation. They can pass through our bodies and can be used in medical imaging like X-ray machines to see our bones and organs. Now we would be learning about the gamma radiation. Gamma rays have the shortest wavelengths and high frequencies of all other radiation. They are produced during nuclear reactions and can be very harmful. Scientists use gamma rays to treat cancer. With this, we are marking an end to the chapter of electromagnetic radiation. Thank you guys for listening till the end. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching till the end. Thank you.